channel. So today I'm just doing a review video. I have not actually done just a straight up review video in a really long time. I love doing these. I know some people it's not their thing, and if it's not, then you know, I'll just see in a few days. But you guys, this made me super excited because I have tried out a ton of these little iRobot or these like robot vacuum cleaners and have hated every single one. So this company was kind enough to sponsor this video. And this is a whole video of me reviewing the Amarey A800 robot vacuum cleaner. And look how cute this packaging is. This is seriously the box. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that's in here. I'm gonna test all the settings out. This has a multiple cleaning modes, and this has up to 100 minutes of cleaning. I don't even vacuum my floors for 100 minutes, so I cannot wait to see what this little thing does. I have not vacuumed my floors in a few days. We are redoing our patio, so there was sand everywhere, and I'm hoping this little bad boy can just pick all this stuff up. This also works on carpet, which is amazing because any little robot I have tried out so far does not work on carpet or half of my rugs, so I just end up returning them and they're useless, and I have not had one since. So I am really excited to see how this one works out. I'm gonna show you everything that's in this wonderful little box. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna do all this cleaning modes, all that kind of stuff, and let you know how I feel about it in the end. So yeah, let's go. So this is everything that's in the box when you open it. I actually love the manual and the instruction guide. It is super helpful because I have needed it many times. So it comes with a remote, which this is by far my favorite thing, and then you can just plug it in, and it comes with a bunch of spin brushes. It comes with an extra filter, and it comes with a little cleaning brush. You just push this button down and the filter is there, and also the way you empty out your dirt. This thing is very quiet. It is more quiet than any of the ones I have ever used previously. I really like that it's thinner, so it's way easier to get underneath a couch or a bed or chairs or even like dressers and furniture. There is a few different modes on here. They have the single room cleaning mode. So if you press the button, it only does one room. I don't know how it knows it, but it does. It goes easy over the rug that we have, and I don't have one issue with it at all. I also like that when it's in the single room cleaning mode, it just kind of goes back and forth and it doesn't go all over the place, and I really liked that. The edge cleaning has to be my utmost favorite part of this whole thing because when I pushed it, it automatically went to the edge of my kitchen and went all the way around. I thought that was incredible. I don't know how things can know how to do this, but this had to be my favorite part. It got every little crack and crevice around my kitchen. I absolutely loved that. The spot cleaning mode, I liked that, but I didn't really think that it was beneficial. It kind of just does one big circle around the room in that tiny area. So I guess if it was a really big mess, I could totally see why someone would need that. But I would just much rather just clean it up myself. In the control cleaning direction is the best thing. They have a forward, back, side to side button, and that thing is incredible. You can make the robot move wherever you want. The only thing that I did have issues with is that this will catch on any single cord. I had issues with the cord itself, one of our vacuum cleaners, and some of our tiny toys. One of our toys got stuck in the bristles, but luckily the instruction manual was amazing. It told me to remove the brush because there was probably something stuck inside. This also works on the carpet, which I thought was incredible. It picks up like just any other regular vacuum. I loved that. And then you can also just send it to charger on the robot, or you can use the remote for that as well. You guys, that's it for the video. Overall, I think this is very nice. It works really well. It's quiet, so I absolutely love that. So if you guys like this video and you want to check the Amarey robot vacuum out, I'll leave links in the description box below. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!